Welcome to the Building Blocks of Reading Phonemic Awareness course, Video 8. In this video, you'll learn more English sounds. Please mark your hand. Here's the memory picture for P in pinch. Please repeat these words with P in them. Pinch, pat, pop, pants, gulp, tip, plop, map, drop. Here's the hand sign for P. Make it near your nose so it reminds you of the parrot pinching the kitten's nose. When you make this hand sign, say P. Here's the memory picture for Qu in quarrel. Qu is really two sounds, but when the French invaded England and they were in charge, they decided that Qu was one sound, so we've written Qu their way ever since. Please repeat these Qu words after me. Quarrel, quick, quest, quibble, quote, quiet, quoll, quit. To quibble is to argue about unimportant things. They always quibble about the price of everything. A quokka is a small, furry animal found only on Rottnest Island, off the coast of Perth, in Western Australia. He was told not to feed the quokkas, but he did anyway, and one of them accidentally bit him. Here's the hand sign for Qu in quarrel. Hold your fist up high to start with, then you might like to punch it forward. When you make this hand sign, say Qu. Here's the memory picture for R in roar. Please repeat these R words after me. Roar, rip, rut, ron, run, rap, rotten, ripple, wrist. Here's the hand sign for R in roar. Make this hand sign near your mouth to remind yourself of the lion's roar. When you make this hand sign, say R. Here's the memory picture for S in snake. Please repeat these S words after me. Snake, sit, sad, sand, Sally, slit, celery, city, pencil, Lucy. Here's the hand sign for S in snake. You might be able to bend your hand more than I can bend mine, so it looks more like a snake. When you make this hand sign, say S. Here's the memory picture for sound sh in shh. Please repeat these sh words after me. Shh, she, shop, chef, ash, shine, dish, shrub, Cheryl, Cheryl is a girl's name. Cheryl is named after her aunt. Here's the hand sign for sound sh in shh. When you make this hand sign, say shh. Here's the memory picture for sound t in touch. Please repeat these t words after me. Touch, tip, Tim, it, its, tell, Tom, table, top, tumble, tub. Here's the hand sign for sound t in touch. When you make this hand sign, say t. Now it's revision time. As you learn these sounds and hand signs, don't aim to be totally perfect. Just aim to be very good. When you can make the hand signs and say their sounds, go on to video 9.